This park and its location are critical to the future of development in the center of Jefferson County, where we lack a large metropolitan area. It's also an area blessed with wonderful natural resource potential. We feel like the sunrise is coming here on the back of our property with this park, and we're just very grateful to all the partners that work so hard to make this happen.
The Piney Fork No. 1 mine ran until 1959 and left dangerous high walls that eroded to within 50 feet of a county road. It became the area currently known as Friendship Park. The reclamation project converted more than 27 acres of barren land to 3 of the 4 habitats found in Ohio. Reclamation created 1.5 acres of open water wetlands and 1,800 feet of natural stream channel. It constructed more than 1 mile of new trail and improved over 2,000 feet of existing trail. Reclamation established more than 4 acres of native pollinator prairie plots, reforested over 7 acres with more than 5,000 native Ohio trees and shrubs, enhancing a safe, outdoor recreation area available to the Jefferson County population of over 65,000 and the wider population of the tri-state area. But as vegetation began to grow and army took hold, army worms threatened the planting that had been completed. The team used uncrewed aerial systems to disperse agricultural insecticides while taking precautions to protect water quality of the adjacent lake, nearby farmers' honeybees, and beneficial native insects and pollinators. Once the infestation was under control, the team continued reclamation and installed bat habitats for the Indiana and northern long-eared bats.
Most people, when you look at this, when you talk about the riparian corridor, you talk about the trees, right now we really can't see the time of year, we can't see the pollinator plots at their fullest, but it's an ecosystem. Basically, what ODNR has helped us with this project is making an ecosystem out here that's friendly. And everything has a part, whether it's the riparian corridor and controlling water flow, the wetlands, the trees, the pollinator plots, and so on. It all comes together for that ecosystem. And most people don't realize that when they take a look at this, what had to go into the planning of it. I never realized at the beginning of this project really what it would mean for the park. It kind of was that project that we needed to kind of kick ourselves a little bit to get moving. Without the help that we've had with this project, we would have never been able to do anything like this. And I do think that the park's safer without the high walls. I think that the wildlife is just fantastic with all the different wildlife that we're starting to see, and it's now more a little bit out in the open. And in the end, I'm going to say that this is going to be a phenomenal site years down the road when a lot of the trees start coming up and foliate. It is just really going to be beautiful and picturesque, and that basically we're appreciative of that.
Because of the ecological restoration at Friendship Park, incorporating 3 of the 4 major Ohio habitat types, forest, prairie, and wetlands, and overcoming much more, the Friendship Park Highwall Reclamation Project has been selected as the recipient of the 2023 National Abandoned Mineland Reclamation Award.